How to do the teeth brushing. The teeth brushing, what we normally do is we have to check first the gum because this girl is not used to do the teeth brushing. So we can check if there's any gum disease there. So we can figure out how to approach if the dog has gum disease. So he has accumulation a little bit tartar. And we have to do it now, the teeth brushing. Hi, Sally, okay? Folks, we are explaining to you that some dogs react variedly. Some are okay, some they are submissive, some it's like also reaction, the same reaction with cutting nails or inorganic expression. Some they do not like because they are not used to. So we already checked. There's no gum disease at all, and a little bit accumulation of tartar and gingivitis here. So we show you, okay? Okay, just stroke like this. We cannot go deeper. Just slowly until she adopts the teeth brushing. Normally, dog, they do not trust, okay, digging their gums or brushing their teeth because they are scared of pain. So she has a little bit tolerance. The front, we have to brush like this. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Back and forth. It's okay, mommy. It's okay, Sally. Okay, it's okay. We go to the other side and we perform like this. She's fine. She's fine. It's a normal reaction. Okay, thank you, Sally. Okay. Thank you. Okay, all done. Okay, good girl. Good girl.